discuss paper 2 Perlis trial 2020. So if you have any problem, just tulis dekat chat tu, okay? Okay, now we start from Cop. Sekejap Okay, alright. Dah, okay, ready? Okay, tak lupa nak ambil pen. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. So first question, diagram 1 shows the electron arrangement of compound X. So dia bagi sini you all compound X and compound Y. Alright, so from the diagram, daripada diagram we can know that compound X is what? What type of compound for X? Compound X is what? Covalent, very good. So compound X is covalent and compound Y is ionic. So we have only two type of compound. Ya, betul Kacun, betul Amanda. We have covalent compound and ionic compound. So anyone, what do you understand about covalent compound and ionic compound? Macam mana kamu nak differentiatekan between covalent compound and ionic compound? How to differentiate it? Which one is metal and non-metal, Christy? Okay, Zing jawab non-metal and non-metal is covalent, very good. And Amanda jawab metal and non-metal is ionic, very good. So covalent is non-metal and non-metal. Jatuh ke? Okay, dah, go ready. Okay. Alright, covalent is non-metal and non-metals, and ionic is covalent. Ionic is metal and non-metal. Okay, lagi satu. Covalent will share electron, while ionic compound one release and one receive. Okay, now next question. State the name. State the name. So state the name for compound X. Okay, what is X? What is X? So what is X? Dia nak nama for X. H ada dua dengan O. Okay, very good. Nama water. And Y is? Water. Y is? Nama, mesti nama Kacun, mesti nama because dia kata state the name. Okay, state the name. So, okay, very good. Sodium chloride. Dia naik motorcycle. Ha. Pergi naik motorcycle dengan Daddy. Go. Ajak Daddy motorcycle. Bye. Okay, now. So now, sorry Okay, so refer to compound X. What is the physical state? Okay, physical state of compound X at room temperature. Okay, ada berapa physical state guys? How many physical state? 3. Apa pula tu Amanda? 3 we have. Okay, we have solid, liquid and gas. So X tadi kita dah jawab. X is water. So at room temperature, water in the form of liquid. Very good. Pandai. Okay, liquid, solid, gas, liquid. Betul. 3 physical state. Pandai. So B, the answer is liquid. Okay, now next question. What is the purpose of hydrogen atom form chemical bond with oxygen atom? Kenapa hydrogen kena form chemical bond dengan oksigen? To what? To what? Okay, very good, Ziying. Yeah. Okay. Pergi nak atas saya. Okay, tadi betul. To kunci pintu, Kis. Okay, to achieve octet electron arrangement. Okay, achieve octet. Okay. So kalau yang ni achieve octet. Okay, achieve octet electron duplet. Kejap. Duplet. Apa pula? Kenapa pula duplet? Oh, duplet. Okay. Betul. Octet or duplet. Duplet. Apa yang duplet Ainin? Oh, tak boleh sebut O. Okay. Okay, to achieve duplet. Alright, okay. Duplet. Sebab dia kata sini hidrogen kan. Okay, so cikgu tukar. So duplet, sorry. So duplet. Okay, so kita tulis duplet sebab dia kata hidrogen kan. Okay. Jane, tadi Puan Jolie dah kata kena sebut either one, either duplet or octet. So kalau case ni sebab dia kata hydrogen, so kita cakap duplet lah. Okay, so clear ya? Alright, now. Okay, now we go to compound Y. Compound Y tadi adalah HCl kan? NaCl kan? Sodium chloride. So what physical properties of Y? So properties of Y ni tadi ionic compound. So what is the physical properties of ionic compound? Siapa-siapa tolong jawab, what is the physical properties of ionic compound? Okay, very good. High melting point and boiling point. Okay. Kenapa pula low? High kacun, high melting point and boiling point. Other than high melting point and boiling point? Okay, selain daripada high melting point and boiling point, okay, very good, Shino, soluble in water. Okay, daripada jawapan kamu this one, high melting point and boiling point, okay, Ganzing, betul, can conduct electric in aqueous solution, very good. Okay, cikgu nak tanya, why high melting point and boiling point for ionic compound? Apakah bond yang ada between the compound Y? What bond? between Na and Cl ada what type of bond? Ada what bond? James Bond. What bond? Electrostatic tu bukan bond. Electrostatic tu forces. So apa yang ada? Between ionic compound ada bond apa? Ionic bond. Pandai Amirul. Ada ionic bond. So between ionic bond ada what forces? Strong electrostatic forces. Macam tu dia punya relationship. Ionic compound contain ionic bond, and then dalam ionic bond ada strong electrostatic forces. So strong electrostatic forces, dia perlukan higher energy to break the bond. That's why the melting point and boiling point higher. Okay, next. So state the type of particles. Okay, next question is type of particles. Ada berapa type of particles, guys? Ada berapa type of particles dekat sini? Ada berapa type of particles? 3, betul. Apa dia? 3. So what? Molecules, very good. So we have ion, molecule, and also atom. Can you differentiate these 3 particles? Ion yang ada charge, molecule. Ion usually is metal. Kalau molecule? Molecule apa? Okay, diatomic atom, betul Aileen. Non-metal, betul. Kalau hydrogen dengan hydrogen also molecule. Hydrogen dengan oxygen also molecule. Dia boleh sama-sama dia juga boleh different atom. Tak semestinya same atom, Amanda. Ada juga yang tak same atom can form molecule. Contoh H2O. Yang penting non-metal and non-metal. Okay, how about atom? Atom ni dia memang single mingle sampai bila-bila, okay? So for compound Y, the type of particle is ion. Very good, pandai. Okay, next. Hydrogen react with chlorine to form compound Z. Write the electron arrangement of chlorine atom. So chlorine atom group berapa? Chlorine atom group 17. So electron valence dia mesti 7. Betul Kacun? 2.8.7. Okay. Write the formula for compound Z. Hydrogen dengan chlorine. So HCl. Very good. Okay. HCl ni adalah sejenis asid. Okay. Ingat. HCl kadang-kadang dia saja nak confusekan kamu. Dia sebut satu hydrochloric acid. Satu lagi hydrogen chloride gas. Cikgu ulang sekali lagi. Untuk HCl ni kadang-kadang dia sebut hydrochloric acid. Kadang-kadang dia sebut hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen chloride gas tu acid ke tak? Is it hydrogen chloride gas acid or not? Just formula sebab dia kata formula. Okay, dia tak minta nama pun. Okay guys, hydrogen chloride gas, is it acid or not? Salah, bukan. No. Okay, William, you said no. Why? William, you kata no. Kenapa? Why? Oh no. Oh no. Siapa kata no? No lah. Okay, pandai Raisa. Betul. Kalau asid dia mesti ada air. Bila hydrogen chloride dalam bentuk gas, dia adalah molekul. Tapi bila hydrogen chloride dissolve in water baru jadi acid. Clear? Okay. Hydrogen chloride is gas molecule. So dia bukan acid. But when hydrogen chloride dissolve in water baru jadi hydrochloric acid. Okay, state the type of bond in compound Z. So kita nampak this one is hydrogen, this one is chlorine. So state the type of bond in compound Z. Covalent bond. Sebab non-metal and non-metal. Okay, next. Okay, settle question number 1. Any problem with question number 1? Ada siapa-siapa nak tanya about question number 1? I think covalent compound and ionic compound ni sangat senang. Okay, senang dia. No. Okay, question number 2. Okay, now question number 2. Sorry kan? Betul. Okay, shows proton number and nucleon number of two isotopes of sodium element. Okay, kita nampak sodium 23, sodium 24. Okay, kalau isotop dia mesti ada same proton number but different nucleon number. Okay, kalau macam ni, kalau proton number dia 11, how about the electron number? Let's say lah kalau sodium kan, sodium 23, sodium 24, proton number dia 11. Elektron dia berapa Amanda? Same tu berapa? Same berapa? 11. Very good. Ingat proton number and electron number sama. Yang beza for isotope adalah betul 11. Very good. So yang beza for isotope is what? Neutron. Very good. So berapa neutron number untuk 23? Neutron. So how to find neutron number for sodium 23? 12. 23 minus 11. Berapa ni? 12. Okay, kalau sodium 24, 24 minus 11, 13. Okay, very good. Pandai. So what is the meaning of isotope? Okay. Apa nak tulis isotope? Okay, isotope satu markah. Tapi satu markah ni kena tempat definition dia baru dapat satu markah. If not, bye-bye. Okay. So, atom of same element. Okay. That have same proton number but different nucleon number. Okay, jawapan macam cikgu tulis ni baru dapat satu markah. Kalau kamu just cakap have same proton number, different nucleon number, memang bye-bye lah satu markah. Macam Ganzing jawab tu, yes, perfect. Neutron or different neutron number. Boleh? Tapi kalau neutron, you tak boleh jawab. You tak boleh tulis neutron number tau. Different number of neutron. Beza. Neutron number cannot. So kalau neutron kena tulis different number of neutron. Sebab nucleon number ni, saya nak cakap nucleon number ni, macam mana cikgu nak cakap nucleon number dengan number of neutron. Puan Jelani, saya nak cakap Puan Jelani ni. Neutron number tak wujud. Nanti cikgu tengok macam mana nak explain. Tapi nanti cikgu check balik kata kenapa tak boleh tulis nucleon number. Kena tulis number of nucleon. Sorry, number of neutron, sorry. Ampun. Nucleon number kan, tapi kalau nak tulis neutron, different number of neutron. Okay. So boleh tulis different nucleon number or different number of neutron. Nanti cikgu tengok apa beza dia. Okay. So, state one use of isotope sodium 24. Okay, what is the uses of sodium 24 in daily life? To detect leakage of underground pipe. Okay, to detect leakage of underground pipe. Okay, now see. Based on table 1, determine the number of electrons and neutron in the table below. Kita tengok number of electron. Okay, kalau sodium 23, elektron dia berapa? Ingat elektron sama dengan proton. So this one is 11. So this one also 11. Number of neutron, this one is 12 and this one is 13. So satu markah untuk yang atas, satu markah untuk sodium 24. Okay, pandai Kacun. Very good. Perfect. Okay, now D. Diagram 2 shows a graph of temperature against time of solid substance X when heated. When heated, so ini adalah heating curve. Heating curve. Dia kata ni solid. So maksudnya mula dengan solid lah. Okay, now kita pergi dulu PQ. So, what is the physical state point from point P to point Q? What is the physical state daripada point P to point Q? Very good, solid. Okay, how about Q to R? Q to R? Very good, solid plus liquid. And R is liquid. So 80 ni we call as what? 80 ni we call as what? 80 degree Celsius ni kita panggil as ya ke Puiman, boiling point, melting point. Sebab apa melting point? Sebab solid change to liquid. Kalau liquid to gas baru boiling point. Ha, betul Yongji, melting point. Melting point lah, solid to liquid. Okay, kalau boiling point tu daripada liquid to gas, nama boiling kan. So kalau solid to liquid is melting. Okay, next. Explain why temperature remain constant between Q to R. Kalau kita nampak daripada graph ni, Q to R ni remain unchanged. Okay, Kacun, energy is absorbed to overcome the forces of attractions between particles. Okay, because the heat energy absorbed, satu markah. Okay, siapa tulis the heat energy absorbed, satu markah. Okay, use. Okay, ni satu markah. The heat energy absorbed use to overcome the attractive forces between solid particle to form liquid. Okay. Kacun, kamu kena tambah point lagi. Sama kalau macam ganzin tu nampak complete, okay? Alright. Okay, perfect. Betul Amela, perfect. Okay, so satu markah. Andai kata kamu tak kerti, kamu tulis ni. Ni dapat satu markah dah. Heat energy absorb, satu markah. So used to overcome the attractive forces between solid particles to form liquid, the second marks. Okay, next. Substance X is then cool at the temperature. Okay, cool maksudnya daripada apa? Cool maksudnya daripada liquid dia cool jadi solid lah. Draw a graph of temperature against time for the cooling substance X and mark it freezing point. So freezing mesti daripada liquid to solid. Wah, hebat Kacun. Tak boleh buat kat sini lagi bentuk graf. Okay, so 3 markup. First, mesti ada x-axis, mesti ada y-axis. Satu. Okay, mesti ada axis. Hebat Kacun. Okay, then kena tulis lah apa versus apa. Tengok, temperature against time. Temperature datang dulu kan dekat sini. Temperature first. So, temperature tegak. So, temperature Unit jangan lupa degree Celsius and time. Time, second. So daripada liquid going down. Okay. Habis. So graf yang cantik ini satu markah. Labeling yang ini satu markah. Graf markah. Satu lagi. Markah yang ketiga is label the freezing point. So tulis sini. Freezing point. Berapa? 80 degree Celsius. Ikut yang atas. Okay, 3 markah ya. Wah, itulah hebat kan? Kacun. Pakai handphone pun boleh. Okay. Temperature versus time, satu markah. Curve, mesti cooling curve, satu markah. And then label the freezing point. Okay, the temperature. Sini kosong. Okay, kalau freezing, okay, boleh tahlah kosong. Tapi ini water ke? Bukan kan? Okay, Bu Iman, kalau water tak bolehlah kosong. Cuba tengok kat sini. Kalau kamu tengok sini, dia punya solid mula dengan P kan? So P dia bukan kosong, so you cannot touch. Kan, Bu Iman? Cannot touch. Padam balik. Okay, cannot touch. Sebab daripada atas ni kita tengok dah bila dia solid, dia P. So P is not zero. So cannot touch. Alright, okay. So the graph okay ya? Okay, settle question number 2. Any question? Ada apa nak tanya about this topic? Yang question number 2? No. Okay, very good Hilim. Now we proceed. Question 3. Yeah, question 3. Allah. Question 3. Alright, diagram 3 shows a bottle of disinfection spray beside alcohol compound X with a fruity smell. Okay, tahu dah. Fruity smell ni apa? Cikgu, if the time right mean can lah. Ikut yang atas lah Amanda. Amanda tulis time tu in second kan. So kita tulis second juga sebab dia kata ikut substance X. Okay, so fruity smell is ester. Is one of the compound, is a component found in the disinfection spray. This one. Okay. Alright, so sebelum pergi, cikgu tak perasan. Okay, so compound X, apa nama dia? What is X? Apa nama X? Apa nama X? Amanda, gelak jawab Amanda. Jawab Amanda, X apa? Apa nama compound X? Okay, apa dia? Okay, propyl butanoate. Okay, very good Puiman. So this one is propyl butanoate. Okay, state the homologous series. Okay, so the homologous series here is ester. Okay, ester. Functional group dia apa? Kalau soalan tanya what is the functional group? Functional group, what is the functional group for ester? Pandai Puiman. Carboxylate group. Puiman juga pandai. Kacun jawab cepat Kacun. Okay, state the name of compound X. Tadi dah Puiman dah jawab. Okay, namanya adalah propyl. Okay, butanoate. Naming untuk ester mesti nama alkohol dulu, follow dengan nama carboxylic acid. Nama mesti alkohol dulu. Then baru carboxylic acid. Tapi kalau lukis, kalau dia suruh draw structure, mesti carboxylic acid dulu. Kalau tulis formula pun carboxylic acid dulu. Nama je alkohol dulu. Clear? Naming alcohol first. Structure, lukis structure, tulis formula, carboxylic acid dulu. Okay, compound X can be prepared through reaction P between alcohol Y dengan compound Z. Apa nama reaction P to produce compound X? Esterification. Perfect. Okay. Esterification. Okay, perfect. Good, pandai. Oh, okay pun ni. Kan? Nanti pening kan? Okay, now identify compound Z. So, what is compound Z? Okay, so compound Z ni adalah carboxylic acid kan? So, nama dia adalah, pandai Amanda, butanoic acid. Very good. Okay, next. Write a chemical equation for the reaction P. So, C3H7OH propanol react dengan butanoic acid. Butanoic acid also C3H7COOH. And then the product, cikgu dah kata dah. Kamu copy sahaja butanoic acid C3H7COO. Ambil je alkohol C3H7 plus water. Dah, betul. Perfect. Dah balance dah pun. Okay, this one you ambil dulu nama butanoic acid. Formula butanoic acid C3H7COO. And then ambil je alkohol depan dia ni C3H7. So dapatlah C3H7COO, C3H7 plus H2O. Okay, until here okay ya? Boleh lagi teruskan? Okay, now we go to question C. Alcohol Y is known as a clean fuel. The combustion of alcohol Y produce blue flame without soot. Okay, alcohol Y tadi apa tadi? Propanol. Okay, the combustion of alcohol Y produce blue flame without soot. Kita dah tahu dah alkohol kalau terbakar memang without soot. So, C3H7OH. Okay, terbakar means react dengan apa? Combustion means react with oxygen. Pandai Amanda, very good. And then the product are, very good Kacun. The product are, oh Ghazi dah jawab dah. The product are carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, kalau kamu tulis macam cikgu ni saja, you akan dapat 1 markah because the reactant and the product is correct. So for the second mark, make sure the reactant and the product balance. Untuk carbon compound, benda yang pertama kamu kena balance adalah C. You look at here. This one ada 3C, so you put 3 here. Okay, 3C. Now, we go to H. Now, we have 7 plus 1, 8H. So, we put 4 here. Okay, now, count. Ada berapa dekat sini O? This one we have 3 times 2, 6 plus 4. Okay, 10 O. Okay, so sini kita ada 3 dah. So, kita tulis sini 9 over 2. 9 plus 1, 10. So, inilah the reaction. The complete chemical equation. Okay, dah. Okay, next. Make sure your answer betul. Lepas ni check kira berapa kamu betul. So, kamu tahu kamu ni level hebat ke, biasa-biasa ke, lemah ke, boleh tengok diri sendiri. Okay, now we go to alcohol Y is an isomer. Okay, alcohol Y is an isomer. Isomer ni apa? What is isomer? Cepat jawab. What is isomer? Isomer tu apa? Same formula, different okay. Same molecular formula but different structural formula. Pandai oh. Okay, betul Kacun? Same molecular tapi struktur dia berbeza. Okay, so Y kita ada C3, tulis dulu tepi ni. C3H7OH. So kamu kena hasilkan dua isomer. Pertama 1, 2, 3. Okay. Make sure H ni mesti bond dengan 4 atom. Okay, OH 1. One more. Apa kita nak tukar? Kita change the positions of what? Kita change the positions of OH. Okay. Make sure kalau buat macam ni, bond ni mesti dekat O. Okay. So apa nama yang first cikgu lukis ni? Apa nama dia? Anik Akmal? Senyap je Anik Akmal. Yang cikgu tunjuk ni apa nama dia Anik Akmal? Kalau tak ada Anik Akmal, siapa-siapa pun boleh jawab lah. Apa nama yang pertama? Propan 1-ol. Kalau yang kedua ni, propan 2-ol. Pandai Jane, pandai Jane. Very good, perfect. Tapi dia tak suruh tulis nama, tak payahlah. So, satu markah untuk ini, satu markah untuk ini. Okay, next. Okay, habis dah soalan nombor 3. Now we go to question number 4. Setakat ni masih dapat markah penuh ke semua orang? Penuh ya markah? Check markah masing-masing, tengok. So daripada situ kamu boleh tengok, oh topik mana yang aku lemah. So yang lemah tu bukan tidur lah. Siapa yang lemah tu ulang kaji lah, jangan tidur je. Okay now, question 4. Electron arrangement for atom of element T is 2.1. Okay, so 2.1 means element T ni dalam group 1. Okay. Element T will react with oxygen to form an ionic compound with the formula of T2O. Okay. In which period is the element T placed in periodic table? So, period ni kita tengok how many shell, betul? So, dalam period 2, pandai. Period 2, very good Amanda, very good Amirul. Okay, element T is placed in group 1. What is other name for group 1? Apa nama glamour lain bagi group 1? Alkali metal. Pandai. Okay, kalau group 17, apa nama lain bagi group 17? 17. Halogen, pandai Kacun. 18? Pandai Afika Balkis. Group 18 barulah noble gas. Betul. Terbalik itu Amanda. Inert gas. Okay. Inert gas, noble gas. Betul. Group 18. Okay. State the formula for ion. So ion ni mesti dalam bentuk ion lah. So apa formula untuk ion? T plus. T plus lah dalam bentuk ion. Ion. Ion maksudnya bila dia jadi ion apa charge dia? T plus. Very good Amanda. Okay. Li tu apa nama dia? Okay Zee. Kalau dia tanya what is the name for T baru you tulis lithium. Okay. Okay now B. The reaction is repeated by using metal Q. Okay Q pula which is located below T. So agak-agak apalah yang bawah T? Mestilah Na kan? Mestilah sodium. Okay, pandai Kacun. In the same group in periodic table. Predict the reactivity of metal Q compared to metal T. Sila compare reactivity of metal Q and T. So Q is higher what? More reactive. Betul Yongji. Higher reactivity boleh guna. More reactive than metal T. Okay. Q is higher reactivity than metal T. Okay, why? Satu markah je, tak payah kita panjang-panjang. More electropositive. This one dia tanya reactivity. So kita kena fokus to the reactivity, okay? Okay, good. Tak apa. So learn from mistake. Okay now, satu markah saja. Why you say Q is more reactive than metal T? Force of attraction between nucleus and valence electron weaker for Q. Yes, betul. Betul. Force of attraction between nucleus and valence electron in Q is weaker than T. Yes, satu markah. Betul. Jawapan Amanda dengan Ziying tu boleh pakai. Kenapa easier? Kita kena cakap dulu why easier Kacun. So jawapan Amanda Ziying boleh pakai. Teacher, if right distance of nucleus and valence electron in further distance of nucleus and valence electron is further. So kalau further kenapa Puiman? Kena cerita sebab apa dia further? Sebab dia punya attractive forces dia weaker. Okay. Sebab dia satu markah je kan. Okay, jawapan Jane pun boleh terima. Okay. So jawapan yang pertama tadi kita boleh tulis. So ada dua lah pilihan jawapan. Okay. Force of attraction. So boleh cikgu tulis short form je. Between proton in nucleus and valence electron weaker in Q ataupun Q is size. Kena tulis size. Okay. Or size of atom Q is bigger than T. So mana-mana salah satu daripada jawapan ni diterima. Okay. Force of attraction between proton in nucleus and valence electron weaker in Q. Size of atom Q is bigger than T. Okay, next. Okay, C. 2.3 grams of sodium react completely with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Okay, what is the formula for sodium oxide? Sodium oxide? Formula for sodium oxide? Pandai. Na2O, sodium oxide. Okay, write a balanced chemical equation. Chemical equation for the reaction. So Na, sodium, react with oxygen and then the product is Na2O. Okay, macam ni satu markah and then untuk dapatkan dua markah, make sure your equation is balanced. Kita balancekan dulu. Pandai Zing, very good. 4 Na and then we have 2 here. Okay, perfect, 2 marks. Alright, so calculate the mass of oxygen used. Okay, daripada question kita dah ada 2.3 gram of 2.3 gram of sodium. Okay, so what is the first step? Kita find mole Na. So how to kira 2.3 divided by 23 is 0.1 mole. Then second kita buat ratio Na dengan O2. From the equation Na is 4, O is 1. Okay. So kalau Na tu is 0.1, O2 is 0.025 mole. Okay. Last step, point number 3. Mass of oxygen 0.025 mole times berapa? Berapa molar mass oxygen? Ingat O2. So 16 times 2. So So, sama dengan pandai kacun. Betul. So, berapa jawapan akhir kamu? What is your final answer? Siapa buat mesti dia tahu final answer dia berapa. Pandai. 0.8. Jangan lupa. Unit gram. Perfect. 3 marks. Okay, very good. Okay, boleh? Okay, now we go to question 5. Oh, sekejap je. Pandai kamu ni. Okay, your favorite topic. Favorite topic. So, yes Amanda, yes. Industrial wastewater containing heavy metal cations. Okay, cation adalah positive charge. Should be treated before being released into the river drainage system. A sample of industrial wastewater is taken and analyzed for the presence of heavy metal cation. Okay, we have two tests using Ki, potassium iodide and ammonia. Okay, untuk Ki, selalunya what cation we use, what cation yang kita guna Ki to test the cation? Ada dua kan? Either PB2+, one more. One more, Amanda. Come on, Amanda. Other than PB2+, what cation we can test using Ki? What else? Help. Come on, Kacun. Al. Okay, Al. 3+. Ya ke, Bakis?
Ya.
Okay. So, okay, kalau yellow precipitate kita tahu PB2+, wujud, present. Okay, kalau Al3+, apa dia punya observation guys? Bakis bijak sangat kan? Jawab, apa dia punya observation? Al3+, kalau guna Ki apa jadi? White precipitate. Okay, white precipitate. Mandai, good. Okay, now, ammonia. White precipitate. Okay, kita tahu dah kalau guna ammonia hasilkan white precipitate. So apa dia white precipitate when test using ammonia? Cepat. Amanda, come on. Husna, diam je hari ni Husna. Tidur ke masing-masing? Senyap je. Okay, apa dia cation yang hasilkan white precipitate? Cepat. Tak sabar nak tulis ni, cepat. Krik. Internet tak ada ke? MG lagi? Bukan MG je, banyak. Zap. Mangkuk. Okay. So zap mangkuk ni cawan tak ada. Cawan dah pecah kan. Guna ammonia, guna NaO cawan dah tak ada. Okay, zap mangkuk ni akan menghasilkan white precipitate bila guna ammonium solution. Okay, bila kita guna excess, okay tengok ni excess, white precipitate dissolve. Dalam zat mangkuk ni hanya satu je yang will dissolve in excess ammonia. Apakah dia? Dalam zat mangkuk. Pandai Kacun. Perfect. Tengok. Bijak Kacun ni sebenarnya. Okay, Zn 2+. Okay, very good. Pandai. Okay, now kita pergi soalan seterusnya. Okay, what is the meaning of cation? Senang saja. Okay, what is cation? Cation is ion that have positive charge. Okay, satu markah, bijak. Okay, next. Based on test 1, name the yellow precipitate Q form. Okay, dia tanya apa yang yellow tu? Yellow tu mesti ada PB kan? So apa nama dia? Mesti nama penuh. Mesti nama betul lah. Bukannya formula. Lead to iodide. Pandai. Very good. Puiman Amanda. Lead to iodide. Okay, pandai. Okay, what will happen if the precipitate is heated and cool again? Heated satu markah, cool again satu markah. Ha, siapa boleh jawab? Ha, okay, Puiman silakan. Okay, Ganzin jawab soluble when heated satu markah. Betul. Okay, when cool? Pandai Zing, betul. Satu, okay, when cool again? It will form precipitate again. Bila dia cool again, dia akan form precipitate again. Pandai. Okay, so when heated, it will, yellow precipitate will dissolve. Okay, when heated, okay, when cool, yellow precipitate precipitate will form again. Okay. So dua markah. Satu markah untuk heated, yellow precipitate will dissolve. When cool, yellow precipitate will form again. Okay, boleh ya this one? The next, write the ionic equation for the formations of precipitate Q. Dia nak ionic je. So kita dah tahu dah tadi, precipitate Q is PB I2. Okay. So mesti ada ion apa? PB2 plus campur I minus. Make sure this one balance. PB2 plus 2I minus. So PB I2. Okay, next. We go to question 4. Boleh ya? Question 4. If 0.0002 mole of potassium iodide solution is added to the industrial waste, calculate the mass of precipitate Q form. Okay, dia kata dia guna potassium iodide. So daripada question ni kita boleh pakai lah kan. Okay, this one dia kata 0.0002. Okay, so calculate the mass of Q. Dia nak mass of Q ni lah. Okay, so first kita buat apa? Dua markah, so kita terus buat ratio lah antara I minus dengan PB I2. So from equation 2, this one 1. So this one is 0.0002. This one is 0.0001 mole. Satu markah. Okay, then mass Q 0.0001 mole times 461. So your answer is berapa jawapan? Siapa buat? Okay, 0.00461 gram. Perfect. Dua markah. Markah kedua. Very good, Amanda. Okay, now based on test to identify R ion, tadi Kacun dah identify. So R ion is Zn 2 plus. Ataupun nak tulis zinc ion pun boleh. Okay, now we go to D. The industrial wastewater may contain copper 2 ions. Okay, ada copper 2 ion. Describe briefly a chemical test to confirm the Cu2 plus ion. Okay, ada dua bahan yang boleh kita gunakan untuk test Cu2 plus. Apakah dia? Okay, very good. Excess NaO dengan satu lagi. Okay, excess ammonia solution. Okay, now cikgu guna excess NaO Okay, so dua markah, satu markah is for the procedure, The second mark is for the observation. Okay, now markah yang pertama, add NaO solution until excess. Okay. Then markah yang kedua, ni markah yang pertama, markah kedua observation apa? Blue, pandai Amanda. Blue precipitate form. Okay, very good. Kedua markah. Okay, last one, question 6. Ya, kena access. Kena access Amanda. Okay, kena access. Okay, can we go to the last question? We go to question 6. Okay, last question. Okay, diagram 5 shows the apparatus set up to determine heat or precipitation. Heat or precipitation. Okay, sebelum tu, what is the definitions of heat or precipitate? Apa definition heat or precipitate? Tulis kat situ. Heat or precipitate. Heat or precipitate is heat released when, come on. Alamak. Come on. Yonji. Afika Balkis. Apa? Puiman juga yang kena. Ainin, senyap je Ainin. Weighing. Shen. Harit tidur. Okay, Hoyan, the heat of precipitate is the heat change when 1 mole of precipitate is formed. Oh, okay. 1 mole of precipitate formed from its ion in aqueous solution. Okay, cikgu tambah ayat Hoyan tu. Okay, the heat of precipitate is heat change when 1 mole of precipitate is formed from its ion in aqueous solution. Okay, very good. So kamu tahulah. Okay, now next. So daripada sini kita tengok dia menggunakan lead to nitrate. Okay, dengan potassium sulfate. So what is the product when lead to nitrate and potassium sulfate react together? So the product is PbSO4 plus KNO3. So which one is precipitate? Yang mana precipitate? Lead to sulfate or potassium nitrate? Very good Amanda. So kalau mole, kena carilah mole yang PbSO4. Okay, now next. Okay, sebab this one is precipitate, kalau minta mole macam ni. How to know who precipitate? Kacun. Macam mana Kacun? Lupalah tu Kacun ni. Lead to sulfate is insoluble. So dia akan precipitate lah. Potassium nitrate soluble. So dia takkan precipitate. Okay. Alright, now we go to table 2. Initial temperature 28. Initial temperature potassium sulfate 28. Highest temperature is 32. So from the temperature ni, kamu tahu this one is endo or exothermic reaction? Endo ke exo? Exo. Exothermic sebab temperature increase. Berapa increase ni? Berapa beza initial dengan highest temperature? 4, okay. 4 ke? 32 minus 8? 4, okay. Okay. Oh kan, teruklah matematik. Okay, why polystyrene cup is used in this experiment? Okay, kenapa kita guna polystyrene? Kenapa kita tak guna beaker? Why? To reduce heat loss to surrounding. Pandai Zee, very good. Okay, write the ionic equation for the reaction. Kita dah tahu dah. The precipitate is PbSO4 kan. So ion apa yang terlibat? Pb2 plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, satu markah. Okay, next. Calculate the heat change. Apa formula for heat change? What is the symbol for heat change? Heat change. No, delta H is heat of precipitate, H. So H equals to formula MC theta. Very good. So H equals to MC theta. What is the value for M? M mesti ambil volume dua-dua solution tadi. Berapa dua-dua solution tadi? 50 plus 50, okay? 50 plus 50. C given already, 4.2. Theta is 32 minus 28. Okay, so tekan-tekan calculator, what's your answer? 1.68 kilojoule or 1680 joule. Dua-dua betul. Betul. Kilojoule boleh, joule pun boleh. Tak ada masalah. Pandai, very good. Okay. Boleh Amanda, no problem. Cuma kalau heat of precipitate ni kena convert kepada kilojoule. Okay, now kita kira pula heat of precipitate. Okay, apa formula heat of precipitate ya? Formula for heat of precipitate. Krik. Okay. Delta H equals to, kalau kamu tengok sini exothermic, jangan lupa negative H over X. H kita dah ada, tak ada masalah. Tengok atas, kita nak cari X ni. How to find X? X ni what? What is X? X is number of mole. Mole apa kita nak cari? Mole of we want to find the number of mole of water solution apa pun precipitate. Apa precipitate dalam ni? Pandai Amirul Nizam. PbSO4. Okay guys, memandangkan dalam soalan ni kalau kamu tengok dua-dua ada volume, dua-dua ada mole, kamu kena kira dulu dua-dua. Okay, kita kira dulu dua-dua, okay? So kita kira untuk PbNO3. Okay, PbNO3 mole dia. Okay, kiralah berapa? 50 darab 1 50 darab 0.5. Okay, darab 0.5 bahagi 1000 tekan-tekan is 0.025. Okay, one more is K2SO4 pun sama 50 times 0.5 divided by 1000 is 0.025 mol. Okay, so kalau kamu tengok mol ni sama. So kalau sama tak ada masalah, pilih yang mana suka. Kalau tak sama macam mana? Macam ni sama kan? 0.025, 0.025. So kamu boleh pilih mana-mana untuk compare dengan PbSO4. But if dua-dua ni tak sama, pandai Chen Chen, pilih yang paling rendah. Kenapa ya Chen Chen? Boleh kacun. Chen Chen, lowest. Kenapa kita pilih lowest kacun? Kacun Chen Chen. Sebab dia completely react dulu berbanding yang satu lagi. Okay, so now kita compare lah. Antara, okay, cikgu compare PbNO3 tu dengan PbSO4. Okay, from the equation 1, 1. So from the mole is 0.025. So this one is 0.025 mole. Okay. So now dia minta kita cari. Okay, dah dapat dah mole PbSO4. Masukkan dalam formula ni. delta H equals to negative. Okay, bila kira heat of precipitate, make sure delta H tu kamu tukar jadi kilojoule. 1.68 kilojoule divide by 0.025 mol. So your answer is, berapakah jawapan? Very good. Mesti ada negatif ha, tak ada negatif bye-bye. 67.2 kilojoule per mol. Pandai Puiman, perfect. Okay, very good. Pandai. Satu markah untuk kira mol kat atas ni. Satu markah. Tak apa Kacun, cikgu record nanti kamu tengok YouTube balik. Nanti cikgu share dekat YouTube cikgu. Okay, this one markah kedua. This one markah yang ketiga. Okay, hampir habis. Sikit lagi. Okay, table 3 shows the value of heat of combustion. Okay, definition of heat of combustion. Cheng Hong. Heat of combustion, definition. Dah makin kurang lah, 52. 3 orang pergi mana? Ada kelas lain kot. Okay, heat of combustion, definition. Oh tidur, tak apalah. Adakah Cheng Hong tadi? Heat of combustion. Cheng Hong apa dia heat of combustion? Tak apa, ada orang lain tak apa. Okay, heat of combustion definition. Cepat nak habis ni. Heat of combustion. Ainin, daripada suruh hang cuba Ainin pula jawab. Cepat. 1 mole of heat release when 1 mole of fuel completely burn in excess oxygen. Very good. Amirul betul, tukar alkohol kepada fusing. Betul, pandai. Of course lah, my mentee mestilah the best. Okay. Okay, next. Gurau je, jangan sentap. Okay. Alright, ethanol, propanol, butan 1-ol, pen 1-ol. Okay, heat of combustion, kamu tengok increase. Okay, what is the meaning of heat of combustion? Okay, dia tanya. Okay, tulislah. Heat release. Okay. When 1 mole of fuel react in excess oxygen. Okay, determine the value of X. Okay, determine the value of X ni kamu kena tulislah value yang sebenar. So, cikgu punya jawapan negatif 3,335 kilojoule per mol. So, dia ada bagi range sebenarnya. Skema tu dia bagi range negatif 3,320 sampai negatif 3,340. So, mana-mana jawapan kamu in between this one, acceptable. Okay, mana-mana dalam range cikgu bagi ni. Okay, last question. Explain why heat of combustion of the alcohols are different. Pertama, sebab apa? Okay, pertama tulis sini. Okay, point yang pertama. Okay, point yang pertama. Okay. Okay, when number of carbon increase. Okay, when the number of carbon increase, it produce more carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so more heat release during bond formation. Okay, so when the number of carbon increase, 1 markah, produce more carbon dioxide and water, 2 markah. So more heat release during bond formation. Sebab lagi banyak carbon dioxide and water produce kan. So lagi banyak heat yang diperlukan supaya boleh form lagi banyak carbon dioxide and water. So inilah jawapannya, 3 markah. Okay, done. Mami? Ya sayang. Ya. Hampir. Okay. So our class is next Monday, okay? Boleh ya next Monday pukul 3 sampai pukul 4. Boleh ya? Okay, so next class is Monday 3 to 4. Tak apa walaupun tu sebenarnya cuti sekolah, okay Okay ya, even though it's school holiday tapi boleh kan, alah sejam je pun, 3 to 4. Nanti I will send apa yang kita nak buat. Mungkin kita cari yang Terengganu punya kah? Okay. So bye-bye guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Tak apa Kacu, bukan selalu. Okay, bye-bye. Ulang kaji ya. Bye-bye guys. Bye. Take care. See you on Monday. Nanti cikgu forward soalan lagi. Bye-bye. Okay, bye. Sama, welcome. Bye-bye. Cakap bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cakap. Apa ni? Mami. Iya. Oh, berhemat. Tengok. Tengok kes. Apa lah? Tengok.